Hello, and welcome to a Canvas, Google Drive, and large file video tutorial. My name is Samantha Harlow, and I am the Instructional Technology Consultant for the School of Education at UNC Greensboro. As hopefully most of you know, UNCG has moved from the LMS Blackboard to Canvas. Canvas at UNCG allows you to upload 1,000 megabytes of files. If you are conducting a course that includes a lot of video, recorded PowerPoints, audio files, or any other kind of large files, you will need to use an outside method to store and share your files with your students. There are several options for linking to large files in Canvas, such as UNCG Box Storage, YouTube, Dropbox, and Google Drive. Today, we are just going to talk about Google Drive, provided free through UNCG Google accounts. Google Drive allows you to upload large files, such as narrated PowerPoints and video, and share with your students in Canvas via links, which will then download the large files to the students' computers. You do not need to use this method for documents and self-recordings because Canvas provides you with enough storage and tools to do this within the Canvas LMS. Links are the best method for having students download a large file onto their computer to view. For students to download narrated PowerPoints, they will need to have Microsoft PowerPoint installed on their computers. If you would like the students to download a video, it is recommended that you upload your video in MPEG-4 or MP4 format for PC and Mac compatibility. Please note that with any video or narrated PowerPoints, it is recommended to have a script or closed captioning, which can then be performed through YouTube in order to meet universal design principles. Now we are in my UNCG Google Drive account. To get started, upload your large file into Google Drive by dragging and dropping the file into your drive. Once your file is uploaded, right-click on the file and choose the Share option. Select Advanced at the bottom right in order to make the file a shareable link. Click Change next to the Private Only You Can Access. Here is your list of settings to choose from in terms of sharing your file. Choose the settings that best match your sharing needs. Usually when sharing a large file, you can select On Anyone with a Link or On UNCG. I usually choose On Anyone with a Link as my option for sharing large files because On UNCG will only work if your students are logged into their UNCG email account. This can sometimes cause confusion when your students are trying to download a large file from Canvas. Be sure to save your settings after you have selected. Now that you have the privacy or shared settings configured, you can go back and find the shareable link to hyperlink or place in Canvas. Be sure to copy and paste this link. Once you have the URL copied, you can copy and paste it into a rich content editor in Canvas. You can also create a hyperlink. I generally recommend putting some instructions, such as click here to download the narrated PowerPoint. Click Save to save your changes, and click here to make sure that it works. Be sure to remind your students that if it's a narrated PowerPoint, they will need to download it onto their computer instead of watching it through their Google Drive. If you are interested in embedding Google presentations or videos that you have uploaded to your Google Drive into Canvas, please check out this tutorial, which includes an embed code for you to copy and paste, plus step-by-step instructions. If you embed a Google Drive file, you are able to have a presentation or video within Canvas, where your students will not have to download a file. They can view everything within Canvas. This concludes this video tutorial on Canvas, large files, and Google Drive. For more information and access to tutorials, you can check out the UNCG School of Education Instructional Technology webpage, which can be found off of the School of Education website, or you can check out the UNCG ITS webpage.